Welcome to this tour of how to register with UWS Accommodate. If you are a student that already is registered with Disability Support Services at UW-Superior, it's very easy what you need to do. Please first go to the Disability Support Services website. You can find this at uwsuper.edu/disability. Then, since you're already previously registered with Disability Support Services, please navigate to this link, Returning Disability Support Services Users, (student and faculty). Click on that link, and it will put you to this page within our UWS Accommodate system. You will see we have two tabs here that say, click on who you are and log in with your UW Superior credentials. You are a UW Superior student, so click here. You will then be put to a login page. Enter your UW Superior credentials, including the same password that you use for your email and eHive. Click the login button. You are now in your student account. There's a variety of different options across the bar at the top, as you will see, and we will cover those in a variety of other tutorials. The one that is most important for us right now is for you to get set up with your new semester request. Since you already are a student who has registered with Disability Support Services, you'll be able to go into the accommodation and accessibility request, and you will be able to see all of your information that you have already put in there. For the purposes of this demonstration, obviously we have a fake account. What you need to do next for the semester request is go to the Accommodation tab and then click Semester Request. For Fall 2018, we want to navigate to the semester box, click, and select Fall 2018. And then what we want to do is request an accommodation. For my semester request, based on previously being registered with Disability Support Services, it will indicate what you are approved for here. In the case of this fake account, we have been approved for the accommodation of able to take frequent breaks. That's the accommodation that I'm requesting for this next fall, so I will click here to the semester and say I'm requesting this for Fall 2018. I want to then submit for all accommodations, and hit that button, and it will then be able to request for the fall semester starting September 4th, ending December 23rd. Congratulations, your semester request is in. Now please sit tight and wait for Disability Support Services to review your request. You will hear back through your UW Superior email.